What is CCA-F certification? The Cloud Certified Architect Foundations is a professional certificate that proves you have the foundation skills to design and build real AI solutions using Cloud. It shows you can get reliable, production ready AI applications. In simple terms, it means you know how to architect serious AI systems with Cloud. Why should you care? The certification validates that you understand how to build production grade AI solutions. Production grade means AI systems that are safe, reliable, fast, and ready for real companies and users. Just like a driving license proves you can drive safely on real roads, this certification proves you can build real AI systems. Who is this certification for? It is meant for students, developers, and professionals who want to work with AI, especially those who want to design and build AI applications, not just use them. After getting this certificate, companies will recognize that you can create proper AI solutions using Cloud. The exam is divided into five main sections called content domains, each with a specific weightage. Domain 1 is agentic architecture and orchestration, which carries 27% and focuses on designing and managing smart AI agents that work together. Domain 2 is tool design and MCP integration, worth 18%, which covers creating tools for AI and connecting them using MCP. Domain 3 is Cloud code configuration and workflows, weighted at 20%, focusing on setting up Cloud with code and building smooth workflows. Domain 4 is prompt engineering and structured output, also 20%, which involves writing good prompts and ensuring focused and organized outputs. Domain 5 is the context management and reliability, carrying 15%, which focuses on helping AI remember things correctly and work reliably. Together, these domains make up 100% of the exam. Domain 1, agentic architecture and orchestration, is the largest and most important section at 27%. It focuses on designing AI agents, smart systems that can think, make decisions, and complete tasks. It also covers orchestration, which is about making multiple AI agents work together as a coordinated team. For example, one agent may search for information, another may verify facts, and a third may generate the final answer. Domain 2 is tool design and MCP integration. Teaches how to build tools that AI agents can use. It also introduces MCP or Model Context Protocol, which helps agents share information properly. MCP can be thought of as a shared notebook that all agents can read from and update, allowing different parts of the system to stay connected and work smoothly. Domain 3 is Cloud Code configuration and workflows. Focuses on using Cloud Code effectively in real projects. It includes setting up Cloud and building smooth workflows. It also covers integration with CI/CD pipelines, which are automated system companies use to build and update software efficiently and safely, helping speed up development and reduce errors. Domain 4 is prompt engineering and structured output. It's about writing clear and effective instructions for Claude. Better prompts lead to more accurate outputs. It also emphasizes structured output, ensuring that responses are clean and organized, such as in tables, JSON, or list. Rather than unstructured paragraphs, this is a critical skill for building real world applications. Domain 5 is context management and reliability. Focuses on helping AI maintain and use context efficiently during long or complex tasks. It includes techniques to improve reliability, reduce errors, and ensure consistency. It also involves managing context across multiple agents so they do not lose track of information or become confused. The goal is to build AI systems that can be trusted in real world scenarios. In summary, the Cloud Code Architect Foundation certification proves you that you can design smart AI agent systems, build tools, and connect them using MCP, configure Cloud code, and create real workflows, write effective prompts, and generate structured outputs, and manage context to build reliable AI solutions. Hello, everyone. This is the first lab we are going to study. This is the first Claude API call. No tools, no loops, just send a message and read the reply. This is the absolute starting point. Before you can build agents, you need to know how to talk to Claude from Python. So the step one is, what is an API call? An API call is just sending a message to Claude over the internet and getting a reply. Think of it like texting. Texting, you open your messaging app, you write client equals anthropic.anthropic brackets. You type a message and hit send. You call client.messages.create. Your friend reads and replies. Claude reads your message and responds. You read the reply on your screen. You read response.content0.text. That's it. Just 4 steps. Let's move further. Step 2, we have the code. These are the 4 lines that actually matter. Here's why every line explained before you can run. As with this, you can understand it very properly. So, first of all, we have the line import anthropic. It loads the Claude library into Python. Client equals anthropic.anthropic. It actually creates a connection to Claude. It uses your API key. Third one is the client.messages.create. It sends a message to Claude and waits for a reply. And the fourth one is response.content0.text. Pulls out Claude's actual text reply. So first, let's look for the code. First of all, actually we have just imported Anthropic, and in the step 1, we are creating a connection to Claude. Means it can read your Anthropic API key from the environment automatically. So here we have written client equals anthropic.anthropic, and now we are just actually sending a message to Claude. Like we have just written response equals client.messages.create, which is actually just sending our message to Claude, and it will actually wait for a reply. Here you can see we have selected Claude Sonnet 4 as a model, and maximum tokens we have mentioned 200, which is the maximum length of reply. And in the messages, I have mentioned that role equals user, content is what is Python, answer is 2 sentences. What is Python and answer in 2 sentences. In step 3, I have written read the reply. Print Claude says print response dot content. So when you will run this, you will see this as your expected output. Claude says Python is a popular beginner friendly programming language known for its clean, readable syntax. It's widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. What just happened? Your code sent the text. What is Python? Answer in 2 sentences to Claude. Claude processed it and generated a reply. Then reply came back inside response.content0.text. That's a complete API call. Everything else builds on this. Now let's understand the step 3, which is looking inside the response object. Claude doesn't just send back text, it sends back a response object with several useful fields. Let's look at all of them. So, what's inside the response? We have the full response object. First, we have the actual text reply. Like here, you can see that the text reply is print response.content.text. Then, second, we have which model was used. So, you can see that here it is written model used and response.model. Then third, we have stop reason. Why did Claude stop generating text? So you can see response.stop underscore reason in turn equals Claude finished its own answer naturally. Then fourth, we have the token usage. How much did this cost? So we have the input tokens and even we have the output tokens mentioned here. And the input tokens was our message and the output tokens was the Claude's reply. Then fifth, we have the response ID, unique identifier for this conversation. Like we have the response ID as response ID, and it can be seen. Then in the last, we have content blocks. Claude's reply is a list of blocks. So we can see that content blocks, number of blocks like length, response not content, block type, response not content 0.type. So for simple replies, there is one block of type, which is text. So after running all these, you will see this kind of expected output. The text reply is Python is a popular, beginner friendly programming language known for its clean and like the overall reply you will see here. Model used, you will see that Claude Sonnet 4 will be mentioned. In the stop reason, you will understand that n turn equals Claude finished its answer naturally. You can see the token usage, the input tokens and the output tokens. You can see the response ID, which is unique as per the request. And we have the content blocks. Number of blocks are one. Block type is actually text. For simple replies, there is one block of type text. So now I will give you a quick summary what we have studied in this lab. We have studied response.content0.text means Claude's actual reply. Response.model, which Claude model answered. Response.stop underscore reason, why Claude actually stopped. Like n turn equal done naturally. Response.usage.input underscore tokens. How many tokens your message actually used? And response.usage output tokens means how many tokens Claude's reply actually used. Response ID, it is actually unique ID for this request. And response.content, list of the content blocks, usually a one text block. In the next lab, we will see how you can have a back and forth conversation.